Hey guys, I have here a 2013 Ford F-550 extended cab 6.7, four-wheel drive, 12-foot Stellar service bed on it, 7,500-pound Stellar crane, PTO driven, hydraulic air compressor, Miller Trailblazer welder. Everything on it works great. Truck runs out 100%. It's a 13 with about 196 on the miles. Again, it is four-wheel drive and it is a diesel. I'll do a crane operation here in a second. Just want to do a quick walk around. Body's in decent shape. Do have keys for all the boxes. No real major rust on the body. Nice, smooth, quick operation. Pretty large size crane. Wireless remote. Just a load chart real quick. So like I said, body's in good shape. Interior of the truck's in great shape. If you do have any questions, my number is 804-716-8487. No rips or tears on the interior. You got a reverse camera down there. Runs out 100%. Really nice truck. I have a lot of similar trucks coming available. If you're looking for something just a little bit different, give me a shout. This one's a really good unit. I'll go and show you the inside of the box on the other side. And again, if you do have any questions or want to see anything else up close, 804-716-8487. There's a small tear here on the very side, but again, the interior is pretty clean. Get the PTO off there. Hydraulic air compressor. Nice long body, tons of storage space. Super cab too, so you have a little bit more space inside the cab. Got a couple areas on the body where the paint's chipped, but overall it's in really good shape. A little bit down here. And then you do have a C-Tech drawer pack on this side. This drawer is off. I'm having somebody come out to fix that. That's really the only thing left on it. Really nice truck overall. Really nice setup. I mean, things ready to work right out of the box. So give me a call if you have any questions. 804-716-8487. Thanks for watching.